Hi guys, just a quick video for you today. I was going through some old footage and I found a clip of me putting a new rubber dust boot or cover on a piston going into a brake caliper, and I did it using compressed air. Some old guy showed me how to do it that way years ago, and I thought I'd share it. Hope you find it useful. Right, I've got the caliper in a vise here, which gives you another pair of hands, and I fitted the dust seal into the caliper itself first. Obviously the caliper's been cleaned and it's spotless, and you need a bit of brake fluid to lubricate it. So I push the nozzle, like a plastic or brass nozzle, into the back, and then basically push the piston up against the rubber. I'm struggling here because I can't get both fingers in the piston, it's tiny. And then just blip the air, and as the air escapes around the piston, it will blow the rubber onto it, as you saw there. Not too much pressure though, otherwise you'll blow the seal out of the whole thing. And then just push it back and the seal will drop into the front groove on the piston. It's better if you take the nozzle out the back, by the way, and then it doesn't push the seal like that. And that's it. And you can push the piston back out again using a bit of wooden dowel or something. Not a sharp pointy thing like I did. And there you go, you can see the seals in both places. Forgive the quality of the video, by the way. Looks like I recorded it on a potato. And you can just use brake fluid to lubricate all this. Okay, there you go. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, you know what to do, and I'll see you later.